Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. Uploads paused. Your settings prevent uploading files when a Wi-Fi connection isn't available. You can either click on change settings. You can go back here. Click on this hamburger icon. Click on this settings. Navigate down. You can switch off this transfer files over Wi-Fi. Uploading and updating the files will pause when Wi-Fi connection isn't available. You can remove this or switch this off. So data usage warning, transferring files over mobile data may incur additional charges depending on your mobile data plan. So you can do this when you don't have a Wi-Fi at home and trying to upload data via mobile internet. You can do this. Click on OK. So that's it. It's done. Now go back, you can see you're uploading an item which is 4 hours. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye.